Hello, in this video I want to show you a tool I've been working on using Windows Presentation Foundation. I've put an icon in the Houdini shell for here to launch the app. The app can also be launched with a desktop shortcut. Here's the app. It can be expanded and it has a responsive UI. I've created a custom navigation bar. It can be maximized, minimized. It can also snap to the sides. It won't go off screen. So that way it could be resized and snap to one of the edges. It's very responsive. Also, it has a feature for topmost. So if you click the little circle here, the app will not hide behind the software. If I'm in Houdini, I can create nodes and work, and this will always stay on top. If I disable it, it will hide behind. Now to go through some of the different types of things that I can launch with the tool. So the blue icons here are Unreal Engine projects. Some of them are open source. These ones are more of standard apps that just launch. And some of the other icons will open up a specific project in VS Code, and it will execute tasks. In this case, this is a custom OpenAI app that I've made. So it started a Python script and it loads the web browser and things like that. This is the code in Visual Studio for this app, which is built with C# and XAML. Windows Presentation Foundation is similar to HTML. And then there's custom functions here in C#. Another feature that the app has is the ability to right-click. So for example, we can open up a pure ref there, but also there's shortcuts for where the directories are for that app. Also, I can open the root folder for the programs, or I can set predetermined project folders. Let's open a Unreal Engine project. When I click that, it opens up Visual Studio, loads the project and runs it. Some of the other icons here are measurements. For example, my total memory in the system, used memory and free memory, CPU and GPU temperatures, and CPU and RAM loads. These two icons are more for file management. One of them imports folders from my mobile device. This one moves files in the Windows File Explorer. Another feature is that you can resize the window UI. And then when you close it and reopen it again, it remembers the last position that it was and the size. You can snap it somewhere in your viewport, close it, and reopen it, and it will remember where it was last time. Let's launch one of the Unreal Engine projects. By clicking on it, it opens up Visual Studio and it presses F5 after it has loaded the project folder. With this app, I have access to faster program launching and managing open source projects. It provides quicker access to related paths and automates the environment setups for programs under development. Additionally, it allows for the inclusion of custom macros to monitor file management, memory usage, and resource statistics. I would like to create an edit mode for this app to allow the addition of new tools and paths using the UI, rather than having to add them through code.